So what we thought it would be quite a good introduction is to really show you the true complexities when it comes to pricing. So this is one of our existing clients here at Sunweb. I don't know if you've seen it or not. If you haven't, I would definitely go and take a look at it. We've just released some video case studies on Sunweb and obviously on this information here on the page. So I'm fairly sure I'm definitely guilty of it. And myself, we've definitely booked the holiday or a package holiday. So in industries like travel, and obviously in particularly Sunweb, pricing is extremely complex because there's so many different moving parts to it. You've got your flights, you've got your transfers, you've got your hotels, you've got your duration, you've got your star ratings, you've got your meal plan, you've got your seats, etc. All of them are rely on one another in order to build that package. What we found and what we learned was with this particular client, they were having a constant battle with limited availability and customer expectations. So all their travel package or products are only available while all of their components, obviously seats on planes, beds in hotels, were in stock, or obviously they were available. Additionally, customers have a certain price to quality expectations. You wouldn't want to be paying a 5-star price for a 3-bed bed and breakfast, meaning that they'll only pay a price that matches what they feel the experience is worth. For example, and as we just obviously touched on, they want to have the best time to fly. They want to fly at probably peak times as well, summer holidays, festive periods. So the balance between the price and the perceived value is obviously crucial when it comes to building a package. So how they wanted technology to support them and managing the complexity of what they were doing manually. So as their pricing became a lot more complicated, it was becoming increasingly difficult for them to manage all of their pricing manually. So they sought a technology that was going to be able to provide them not just the support, but obviously help them to monitor, but also adjust prices more effectively. Using AI has given them a more systematic approach. It obviously makes it easier for prices to keep prices in line with demand, and also maximizing a potential revenue by addressing gaps that were probably missed when they were doing things manually. I've obviously seen some huge steps forward, not just as far as the efficiency is concerned, but they're now able to adjust around about 10 million price points per day. That's been an increase of 600% prices daily. This scale and this adjustment has just really helped them to be more responsive to market changes, but also responsive in demand fluctuations. We've also really improved their efficiency as well, improving it by 50%. So now that team or their team is able to go away and do all of the cool stuff when it comes to looking at the data and building other strategies. So I think some of the key takeaways from this is, in order to have an approach to complex pricing, there needs to be pretty much a step-by-step approach. Tackling complex pricing requires breaking down the process into manageable parts. Remember, it's not going to change a business overnight. By user business, they're starting with smaller, simpler tasks and gradually building up. The business can adapt more easily. By embracing AI and pricing solutions, it's a learning journey. You want to start by small, learn from each step, and adjust as needed that the team and the organization understands, and these tools will be utilized effectively. You need to make sure that it's not just about changing the system, it's about changing the way that you approach pricing in order to obviously drive and achieve your goals.